welcome back to Eat Well with Leisha. If you're new here, I'm Alicia and I'm a nutrition coach, and I'm here to explain nutrition concepts in a way that is easy and simple to understand. So, macros get all the hype. You always hear people talking about carbs, proteins, fats, but what about the micros? That's right, I'm talking about vitamins. The real MVPs that keep your body running smooth and thriving. But honestly, most people overlook them. So today, I'm breaking down the must-know vitamins, what they do, and where to find them, whether you're plant-based, flexitarian, or just eat a little bit of everything. And make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to give you an easy, no-stress way to make sure you're getting in all your vitamins. Let's get into it. First up, we have vitamin A, aka the glow up vitamin. This one's all about keeping your skin fresh, your vision sharp, and your immune system strong. If you're team plants, make sure you load up on carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. And if you eat animals, eggs, dairy, and liver are good sources of vitamin A. Next, vitamin B12, the energy booster. If you've ever felt sluggish or foggy, you might be low on this one. B12 mainly hangs out in animal products like eggs, fish, dairy, and meat. Plant-based besties, no worries. You can find it in fortified cereals, nutritional yeast, or take a supplement if you need it. Vitamin C is your immune defender. It's not just about fighting colds. It helps your skin glow and speeds up healing. You can find it in citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and even Brussels sprouts. I love me some Brussels sprouts. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. It's crucial for strong bones, good mood, and a solid immune system. The best source is sunlight. Just don't forget your sunscreen. And if you're low on sun, you can get it from fortified plant milk, mushroom, eggs, or salmon. Vitamin E is your skin protector. It fights free radicals, keeps your skin fresh, and supports immunity. Snack on almonds, sunflower seeds, or avocados to get your dose. Vitamin K is the bone and blood builder. It keeps your bones strong and blood clotting just right. Find it in leafy greens like kale and spinach, or in eggs, cheese, and meat. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, supports cell growth and is especially important during pregnancy. Get it from lentils, beans, avocados, fortified cereals, and eggs. Last but not least, Biotin, the beauty vitamin. It helps keep your hair, skin, and nails strong. Find it in nuts, seeds, avocado, eggs, and salmon. Here's Alicia tip. If you want to make sure you're getting enough of these vitamins, make sure you eat the rainbow. A colorful, balanced diet with whole foods naturally helps you hit your vitamin goals. And if you have a deficiency, supplements can help. Just make sure you talk to your doctors first, okay? And that is a wrap, my friends. I hope you learned something new from this video. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to make sure you see my new videos as soon as they drop. Also, drop the emoji of your favorite vitamin-packed food in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next one.